I keep a stack of Scrubbies by my sink. They are freaking amazing. I never thought they were important. I'd always used Dawn soap. Okay, so this is called Scrubby soap. It removes paint, oil, dirt, grease, and more. It is this wonderful citrus smelling soap. And it's got this scrubby texture on it. So when I'm done working at the end of the night, all my brushes just sit in water while I'm working during the day. And then at the end of the night, I go in my shop sink and I clean them off. I just grab my Scrubby and I take my brush and I put some soap on it on one side, and then I flip it over and I scrub my brushes into it like this. I just scrub. And it takes all that wax off. And I just do it until it scrubs clean, until it wrings out clean. And these things are amazing, and they feel great on your skin too, and they leave your brush bristles really soft. By the way, my affiliate link is at the top of this video. I'd love it if y'all decide you want to try something. If y'all would use my affiliate link, that makes us all so very happy. Okay, so here we go. Let's start in here.